Hello all, myself NAINAN from branch 1st year CSC, startup company G3S. Product present name Ka, product proposed name Eco Hydroka. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as set by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, size conversion for easier parking. Second one, car runs with water, fuel and electricity. Third one, eco-friendly. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers, many new features are being added to the existing product. Existing product name car, futuristic product name Eco car. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Size conversion, environment friendly, uses of different fuel, auto braking system. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised us to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.